Hi guys, I am your host Malik Adil. In this video, I am showing you how to create Trust Wallet account. The first step is to install Trust Wallet from Play Store. So open Play Store and then search Trust Wallet and then click on search button. This type of application showing on your screen. I already installed this application, so I open. You need to must install this application and then open. This type of page showing on your screen. Here you have two options, create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. So you click on create a new wallet and then read terms and services and then click on box and then continue. Here you need to enter 6-digit code. So I enter 6-digit code and then retype 6-digit code. And then this type of page showing on your screen, click on box and then continue. Here you have 12 words recovery phrase. You can write it down or save it anywhere. That will help you in future to recover your wallet. If you forget these words, you cannot reopen your wallet. So write these words in the same sequence that showing on screen, or copy it and store on Google or Gmail, anywhere you want. So I copy these words and click on continue. Here you select these recovery phrase in the same sequence that you saw on the previous screen. So I select these words in the same sequence. Here I put these words in the same sequence and click on continue and then click again on done, enable. Here you had successfully created a wallet and you can use it. Here some tokens showing on your screen. If you want to add some tokens or coins in your wallet, then click on two buttons and then search a token name or coin name. I am searching here Safe Moon. Safe Moon is showing here and click on button and here Safe Moon is showing on front screen. And then if you want to add another coin, then click on two buttons and then write coin name or token name. I'm searching Australian Safe Shepherd. So Australian Safe Shepherd is showing here. Click on button and then back. Australian Safe Shepherd showing here on the first page. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.